Walking the dog. Walking the dog is one of my favorite daily activities. Every evening, after school, I take my dog, Max, for a walk around the neighborhood. Max is a small, playful dog who loves going outside. I grab his leash and attach it to his collar before stepping outside. We walk slowly at first as Max sniffs around, excited to explore. I like watching him run and jump, and it always makes me laugh. During our walk, I wave hello to the neighbors and chat with anyone who's walking by. Max enjoys the fresh air and the chance to stretch his legs, and I do too. Sometimes we stop at the park, and Max plays with other dogs while I sit on the bench and relax. I think walking Max is a great way to get some fresh air and exercise after a busy day at school. It's also a great way to bond with him and show him I care. Walking the dog helps me unwind and forget about any stressful moments from school. When we return home, Max is happy and tired, and I feel good knowing that I've taken care of him.